Anker is a company that is well known about its power banks and many different things, but they're not very well known for their wireless earphones. Well then, let me introduce you guys to the AnkerEarbuds Sport. So I will be judging these earphones based on three things: build quality, battery life, and most importantly, sound quality. So without further ado, let's get on with it. First up is the build quality. So as the name suggests, these are meant for sports, so they are rated IP4, which means that sweat should not be a problem. And overall, they feel good and are well built. The two earpieces come together using a weak magnet at the back so they can be out of your way when you don't need them. The audio buttons and the power button are embedded in the earpieces themselves, which is good. The wire seems good quality as well, and the buttons are nice too. The earphones also have LEDs to indicate the battery life and other various things. But the ear tips are a huge disappointment. They shout out cheap. Now I know these earbuds are meant for being budget friendly, however these ear tips are disappointing even for a price like this. Let's jump to the battery life. The battery on these pair of earphones is not what I would call mind-blowing, but looking at the tiny package, I would like to call it decent. I get a full day of use on these and sometimes even a day and a half depending on the use. They usually take around an hour to charge up. Next up is sound quality, which is a make or break deal. Well, the sound quality is good. Now I'm not an audiophile that wants excellent sound quality. All I require is fine audio and these earphones get the job done. They're definitely better than some cheap earphones, however your Sennheisers are way better than these. In my opinion, they're definitely good enough for some gaming and watching movies. Coming up to the microphone quality. These earphones are not the best. The mic quality is just average. Coming to the conclusion, should you buy these budget-friendly earphones? My answer would be a solid yes. They provide good sound quality, a solid battery life, and somewhat good build quality for quite an affordable price. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.